Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with nCLOSE. Today I'm going to show you how to install a 10.2 or a mini into the Elite nCLOSE and then install a VP3300 or a UniPay III from IDTech. So the first thing you're going to do is, if your case is not open, you can stick your fingers in here and just kind of pull inward or upward, because there's these clips on the side and it will open. If the tablet is inside, you take a flat-headed screwdriver, put it in here and just turn it. And again, just to show you this side, you just put your finger in, kind of work it up, and then once you get these up, you slide it down. So it's a tongue and groove up here at the top. So if you're going to do this as a fixed where you're running cables inside, you would now want to run your 6-foot cables inside. But when you're ready, you run your cables, or you take your tablet and you simply set it inside. Once you set your tablet inside, you go ahead and position the top, as I mentioned, a tongue and groove up here, and then you go ahead and you press down on the sides and it's nice and closed. Now we're going to step over here to our VP3300 module, and this is also a tongue and groove, so you're kind of going to pull up from the bottom here and do the same thing. Notice you have this little piece. This little piece, this part is meant for the cable, so that the cable can fit perfectly right here in the reader. So what you do is you go ahead and you take your reader, you position it inside, you take your charging circuit and you slide it inside of your module. Once it's inside of your module, you can go ahead and install your micro USB cable and then manage your cable. You're going to keep this cable coming over here because this is going to charge your tablet. You want to take your plastic piece and put it over the reader. The other option is to actually take it and just set it inside here. And then once you set it in here, you're going to line it up from the top with the tongue and groove. And then you're gonna push down here, and you're gonna notice it's gonna clip together like that. Now, there's one screw on the back, so you go ahead and you screw that together. At this point, you take your 10.2 and your module here. You're gonna go ahead and plug in your lightning cable or your USB-C. Notice these points right here match to the module, and you go ahead and you slide it together. You now put your screws in and you go ahead and you secure it down together. At this point, if you're going to be adding a quick release system, you can attach your quick release system. If you're going to add hand straps, you can add hand strap. You can put the hand strap horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, and you can also use some of these other holes. You are going to charge through the charging port over on this side, and this is a 6-foot micro USB cable that we provide to you. It's got a right angle micro that you'll plug in here, and then you go ahead and you use your charging circuit here. That's it. Thank you. This is Jimmy with nCLOSE.